have a misalignment on the main belt.
Hold the next shipment until cleared.
Clarity VVS2, color D.
Confirming excellent cut, moving to station 3.
Bring the red one down to Bay 4. Watch your clearance on the left.
Alert on the North Atlantic route. Rerouting via the Suez Canal.
Confirmed. ETA remains unchanged.
Allow me to present this flawless sapphire, madam.
It is exquisite, thank you.
This emerald cut is magnificent.
It truly is, madame. The clarity is unparalleled.
Global synchronization pulse indicates an anomaly in the Antwerp pipeline. Reroute through Mumbai.
Confirmed. The adjustment is live.
Keep an eye on the input pressure during the valve cycle.
It's holding steady at 0.4. System looks good.
This cluster on the fourth stone, the density reading is inconsistent.
Yes, the laser sweep confirms a subsurface inclusion.
Parameters adjusted for the North American flow. The system reports optimal synchronization.
Excellent. Reroute the remaining cargo through the Istanbul hub.
Reroute the data stream from the urn to my tablet.
Confirmed. The robotic handler is initiating the transfer sequence.
By optimizing the helix structure here, we increase data density.
Orbital path deviation corrected. All satellites nominal. Next burn sequence initiated in T-minus 10 seconds.
Universal synchronization is achieved. The outer colonies are secure.
Deploy the relief fleet based on the optimal trajectory matrix.
Everything is in order. It is a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise. Until next time.
Adjust the parameters here to see the real-time evolution.
Look how the data stream reacts. It's stabilizing the construct.